Good morning, students. Welcome to our class, General Science. In the previous class, we discussed that skeletal system and muscular system. In this class, we are going to learn about another important topic about our body, how all the organs in the body are controlled. For example, sharpening of a pencil, listening of music, smelling of flowers, tasting of chocolate, stroke of your pet animal. All these actions are under the control of our brain. You can't say that brain is not involved in it. These all actions are under the control of our brain. Brain is one of the part of our nervous system. Our topic is nervous system. Once you think about it, smelling of flower, we can enjoy the delicious food, enjoying the taste of delicious food materials, listening of music, okay, touching of your pet animals, or stroking of pet animals. All these are well coordinated movements. Walking, running, cycling, all are well coordinated movements. All these movements are controlled by our brain. Brain is the one of the part of our brain. Brain is one of the part of our nervous system. Okay, our nervous system controls the functions of all organs in the body, either heart or lungs or kidneys, stomach, intestines, everything. Okay, the nervous system controls all the functions of our body. The nervous system contains mainly brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, these are the main parts that present in our nervous system: brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, first I will explain about the brain. So to this, I will draw a rough diagram for that. If you think it's like this, okay, so brain, our topic is brain. The diagram is the brain is present inside the skull, in our skull, that means in the head. The brain is present inside the skull. Okay, this one. The brain is present inside the skull. It controls all the functions of our body, and also it plays an important role in the storing of memories. All the memories are stored in the brain. It is useful for storing of information or memories. Okay, brain controls the different functions of our body organs. You understand? Brain is present in inside the skull. This means okay, it is present inside the skull. It regulates all the functions of our body organs. It is also the center for the storing of all memories and information what you learnt in your throughout life. Okay, so the brain has mainly three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. These are the three parts that present in the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. So, cerebrum, the first part, it is the largest part in the brain. Cerebrum is the largest part in the brain. This one. Cerebrum is the largest part in the brain. It controls all the functions of our sense organs. It controls sense organs. Okay? So the brain is cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It controls all the functions of sense organs. Next come to the cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second part of the brain. It lies just below the cerebrum. It lies just below the cerebrum. It controls all the movement of muscles. It controls the working of muscles or movement of muscles. Do you understand? So cerebrum, largest part, and it controls the work of all the sense organs. Cerebellum, it lies just below the cerebrum. Okay, it controls the functioning of our muscles. The third one is brainstem. Okay, the brainstem lies just below the cerebellum. Takes place just below the brainstem. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It connects brain to the spinal cord. It controls the heartbeat and breathing. It controls heartbeat and breathing. Okay, so these are the three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. Brainstem present just below the cerebellum. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls the heartbeat and your breath. So these are three parts. Okay, so our nervous system contains brain, spinal cord, and nerves. First of all, brain. The brain is located in a hard bony box called cranium, but that the word is difficult to use. Skull. Okay, the brain is present inside the skull. It controls all the functions of our body parts. It also stores the information. Or memories. It has mainly three parts: cerebrum, the largest part of the brain, which controls the sense organs. The next one is cerebellum, which places just below the cerebrum. It controls the functioning of muscles. The third one is brainstem. It present below the cerebellum. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Okay. It controls the heartbeat and breathe. Okay. So how it is controlling all these parts? There is a web-like a network of sheaths are present in the body. Those are nerves. Okay, now the pathways are present in our body like the roads. How the roads are there to go to home. మనం ఇంటికి వెళ్ళడానికి ఎలా దారులు అయితే ఉంటాయో అలాగే బ్రెయిన్ చేరడానికి వాట్ ఎవర్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏది జరిగినా బ్రెయిన్ కి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పాస్ అవ్వాలంటే కొన్ని మార్గాలు ఉంటాయి. సో దోస్ ఆర్ టేకెన్ బై ద నర్వ్స్. ఆ మార్గాలు, ఆ పాత్స్ అన్ని కూడా నర్వ్స్. ఓకే, the pathways taken by the nerves is different. According to that, the nerves are categorized into three types. Nerves. The main function of the nerves is to carry the information. From one place, like the telephone mobile, how it is connecting the people each other. Okay, na? If you think, what is that one? టవర్స్, టెలిఫోన్ టవర్ అనుకుంటే దానికి సిగ్నల్ కనెక్ట్ అయ్యేది అవి నర్వ్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ద నర్వ్స్ ఆర్ ద పాత్వేస్. దే బ్రింగ్ ద మెసేజెస్ ఆర్ క్యారీ ద మెసేజెస్ టువర్డ్స్ ద స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ ఆర్ బ్రెయిన్. ఓకేనా? ద నర్వ్స్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్ట్రక్చరల్ అండ్ ఫంక్షనల్ యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ నర్వస్ సిస్టమ్. These are the very important ones. Structural and functional ones of nervous system. So nerves are categorized into three types. One is sensory nerves. So sensory nerves, these carry messages towards the brain. Carry message to brain. Okay. Next one is motor nerves. Carry messages from brain. Carry messages from brain. Okay, third one is mixed nerves, which make connections among the two. Make connections among sensory and motor. Okay, listen carefully. The nerves are the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. And the pathways that we have taken, they are categorized into three types. Sensory nerves. The nerves which carry the messages to the brain from the sense organs. From the sense organs. Once again, these sensory nerves carry messages to brain from the body parts. They take from the body parts to brain. Motor nerves, they carry messages from brain to body parts. They carry not messages, they are instructions. They carry the messages containing instruction from brain to body parts. Mixed nerves, they make the connections between the sensory and motor neurons. They also carry messages to brain and instructions from the brain to body parts. Okay, dear students, up to here we discussed about the nervous system. Okay, now. So, nervous system means which makes the coordination in the body. Coordination between the different organs. The nervous system mainly contains brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Okay, the brain, the structure of the brain. Brain is present inside a skull. It stores the information. It controls all the functions of organs. It mainly has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. Okay, cerebrum, largest part, control the sense organs. Cerebellum is present just below the cerebrum. It controls the functioning of muscles. Brainstem present below the cerebellum and connects the brain to spinal cord, and it controls the heartbeat and breathing. And the nerves taken, the pathways taken by the nerves which carry messages to the brain or from the brain has three types. Sensory nerves carry messages to brain from the body parts. Motor nerves carry instructions from brain to body parts. Mixed nerves, also known as associated nerves, so they make the connections among the sense organs. So approximately the brain is weighed up to 1.4 grams. That means 1400 grams. Okay, 1400 grams. In an adult male, approximately 1400 grams. That is enough for you. But adult male, it is 1375 grams. Adult female, the weight of the adult female brain, 1275 grams. Okay, now approximately the brain's weight is 1400 grams, but the adult's male brain weight is 1375 grams. Okay, adult female brain weight is 1275 grams. Okay, the students read all these things. Okay, thank you.